Stay tuned for the battle of the deep conditioners. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the second video in my Deep Condition With Me series. In today's video, I am going to be using two deep conditioners from TGIN. First is the Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask and then the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Stay tuned. So this will be my last application with the Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask. So I decided to do a battle of the hair mask since I only have enough of this conditioner for half of my hair. This hair mask is made with rosewater and acai berry. It is a gentle, hydrating deep conditioner for waves, curls, and fine textured hair. It contains no sulfates, parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. So the directions for this mask say to apply from roots to ends and make sure to evenly distribute the product. Place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes or leave on the hair for 35 minutes to an hour without heat. And then rinse thoroughly with warm water followed by cool water. This collection also comes with the Rosewater Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner, Leave-In Conditioner, Defining Styling Gel, and a defining mousse. I will link a few videos up above using those products. Since I am at the end of the jar on this mask, I definitely can give you a thorough review and my thoughts on it. I love the smell of this mask. It is a lightweight mask. It does have a nice amount of slip and it is very moisturizing. So I am wetting my hair, applying the mask, finger detangling, and then going in with my brush to further detangle, and then I'm twisting up the section. After I am done applying the mask, I will be adding a plastic cap and using my steamer. Now on to the second mask, which is the Honey Miracle Hair Mask, which is made with raw honey and olive oil. This is the very first hair mask that I tried from TGIN. Actually, the very first product that I tried from TGIN. And I absolutely fell in love with this hair mask. And this is my second jar of this mask. This mask also smells amazing. Also has a creamy texture like the Rosewater mask, but a little thicker in consistency in my opinion. This mask has great slip and it is also very moisturizing. This Honey Miracle mask is an intense, deep, penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. It contains no parabens, sulfates, petroleum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. This hair mask is from the Moist collection, which also contains the sulfate-free shampoo, a replenishing conditioner, buttercream moisturizer for natural hair, a twist and define cream, smooth and hold edge control, curl bomb moisturizing styling gel, and the argan replenishing hair and body serum. Now, I have used both of these hair masks at least 3 times. However, I have never used them both at the same time. So we are just going to test it out and see which one of these hair masks I love the best. So here is my hair with the mask freshly washed out on both sides. One side, the Rosewater Hydrating Hair Mask, and the other side, the Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Both masks smell amazing. They're both moisturizing and they both had a nice amount of slip. But I must say that after rinsing out the conditioners, the Honey Miracle Hair Mask definitely won in my book. Let me know in the comments below which one you think is the best of these two hair masks. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And make sure that you check out all the rest of the videos in my Deep Condition with Me series. See you in my next video.